My pop always said that every job's easy if you have the right tools. So my wife pointed this out when we're on a long trip, that she doesn't have a convenient place to set her phone or for a cup holder. We've got this way up here, and she's a small person. There's no cup holder over here. The nearest cup holder is way down there, and nearest place for her to set her phone is either down there or up there. So she asked for a little table or shelf or something to go right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I bought an aluminum shelf, floating shelf off of Amazon. I put a cup holder into that shelf, and we're gonna mount it here on this wall. I just need to figure out the best way to mount it, but I'll show you everything that I did, getting the shelf ready, and then we're gonna put this sucker on here. If you're new to this channel, we just do some RV stuff. We record all our trips, put them out on YouTube so you can see places we're going. You can enjoy the places we enjoy. But we also do a lot of DIY here. So things that I'm fixing or updating on the motorhome, I'll try to include that here. So if you haven't, please subscribe below. It'll help us out. If you like the video, click that thumbs up button. Really appreciate it. And we look forward to doing a lot more of these videos for you in the future. Save big money. You save big money when you shop Menards. So the project here is to install this shelf, not on the golf cart. I'm going to put this shelf in the motorhome on Denise's side of the, on the passenger side. I'm just going to mount it to the wall under the passenger window because she needs a place to set her phone, a little more convenient place to set her phone and whatnot. What I want to do though is give her a cup holder. So I had this old plastic cup holder insert that I took out of the boat, and I'm going to cut a hole in this shelf so that this can have a cup holder in it. The shelf I bought on Amazon. Link is provided below. My pop always said that every job's easy if you have the right tools. So I bought this hole saw in order to cut the hole for the cup holder. Now you have to balance the idea of having the right tool with, is it worth the cost? This is a hole saw that I will use once in my life. I probably will never use it again. It was 25 bucks. I also had to buy this arbor, which was 10 bucks. So I'm 35 bucks into this tool to cut one hole. I'm hoping that this does the trick though, because I can't imagine trying to cut that hole in that shelf without using a good hole saw. I just don't know any other way to do it. So I spent the money. turned out pretty good. Well, the level is green. I've applied the glue and it oozed out a little bit at the top. And then I applied these stickers on there, which I think are going to help hold it while it cures. There we go. Cup holder right there. I'm not going to put that on there. Phone right there. Yeah, I think I like it, but the big question is going to be, will Denise like it? We'll see in a future episode. See y'all later. Take care.